make cake, not pie. I know it's sacrilege, but we love this German apple cake that we learned from Luisa Weiss. She learned it from the back of a almond paste carton that she found in Germany. First, we had the sugar and the almond paste, and that almond paste is adding not only that almond flavor, but sort of a custardy richness and a beautiful texture to the cake. Once those have sort of a sandy, crumbly texture, we go ahead and add 1 stick of butter. We want to whip that for 2 to 3 minutes so that we get a nice light and fluffy texture. Then we add 3 eggs, 1 at a time, mixing between each addition. Then we add some vanilla, which amplifies the vanilla flavor that almonds already have. And then slowly we add in that mixture of baking powder and flour on low. We're actually gonna finish mixing by hand. And into this springform pan that's been buttered and floured, peel, quarter, core, and slice our apples. We're gonna fan each of our quarters and put them on the batter in a pretty star shape. Put these in the air fryer, make chips. Sprinkle 2 tablespoons of sugar on top. It creates a little bit of a shatter layer before that custardy cake. And into a 375 oven for 50 to 60 minutes. And now we're going to dust it with some powdered sugar. So this season, we're making cake, not pie. It's easier than pie, but just as beautiful.